Want bigger arms? You're not alone. Every guy wants sleeve-stretching biceps. It's a symbol of strength, power, and dedication. But getting there takes more than wishing. It takes work, smart work. We're about to unlock the secrets to building head-turning biceps in just 1 week. This isn't some magic trick. It's about understanding how your muscles work and pushing them to their limits. Get ready to unleash your inner beast. It's time to build those massive arms you've always wanted. Let's get started. We all hit roadblocks. Sometimes it's motivation, other times it's bad form holding you back. We're gonna smash through those barriers. Staying motivated is key. Set clear goals, track your progress, find a workout partner for that extra push. Remember why you started this journey. Next up, form. Proper technique is crucial for both results and preventing injuries. Focus on controlled movements, no swinging weights, quality over quantity, always. Master these mental aspects and you're already halfway there. Time to hit the gym. Today we're diving into a focused arm workout that will leave your biceps burning and your arms looking more defined than ever. We're focusing on 3 killer exercises: traditional dumbbell curls, hammer curls, and preacher curls. Each of these exercises targets different parts of your biceps and forearms, ensuring a comprehensive workout. Dumbbell curls are a classic for a reason. They are the bread and butter of any arm workout, providing a solid foundation for building bicep strength. They target the biceps head-on, engaging both the long and short heads of the muscle. Keep your elbows locked at your sides and curl the weight up using only your biceps. This ensures maximum muscle engagement and prevents cheating. Hammer curls work the brachialis muscle, which is often overlooked, but crucial for arm thickness. This muscle sits beneath the bicep and adds thickness to your arms, giving you that well-rounded look. Hold the dumbbells like hammers and curl them up, keeping your palms facing each other. This neutral grip is easier on the wrists and allows for heavier lifting. Last but not least, preacher curls. These are fantastic for isolating the biceps and really focusing on that peak contraction. These isolate the biceps and force them to work through a full range of motion, which is essential for muscle growth and definition. Rest your upper arms on the preacher bench and curl the weight up, feeling the burn in your biceps. This position minimizes cheating and maximizes muscle engagement, making every rep count. Section 4. 1 week to glory. Your personalized bicep building blueprint. This is your ultimate guide to sculpting those biceps you've always dreamed of. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this plan is tailored to push your limits and maximize your gains. Ready for action? Here's your 1 week plan, designed to challenge you and bring out the best in your biceps. Consistency and effort are key, so let's dive in. Day 1, dumbbell curls, 3 sets of 12 reps each arm. Focus on maintaining proper form and control throughout each rep. This exercise targets the brachialis muscle, giving your arms a fuller look. Hammer curls, 3 sets of 10 reps each arm. Day 2, rest. Hammer curls are excellent for working the brachioradialis and adding thickness to your forearms. Day 3, preacher curls, 3 sets of 10 reps each arm. This exercise isolates the biceps, ensuring maximum contraction and growth. Remember to keep your elbows steady. Dumbbell curls, 3 sets of 10 reps each arm. Day 4, rest. By now you should start feeling the pump and seeing some definition. Day 5, hammer curls, 3 sets of 8 reps each arm. This will further enhance your arm strength and endurance. Preacher curls, 3 sets of 8 reps each arm. Day 6, rest. Day 7, rest. These rest days are crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Remember to increase the weight slightly each workout as you get stronger. Progressive overload is key to continuous improvement and muscle growth. Focus on that mind-muscle connection. Feel the burn. This connection ensures that you're engaging the right muscles and getting the most out of each exercise. Stay dedicated and watch your biceps transform. Section 5. My journey, your motivation. Consistency is key. I've been there. I know the struggles of building muscle, the early mornings, the sore muscles, the days when you just don't feel like it. But those are the days that matter the most. It's easy to stay motivated when everything is going well, but true progress is made when you push through the tough times. But trust me, consistency is the magic ingredient. Stick to the plan, push yourself, and you'll see amazing results. It's not about being perfect every day, but about showing up and giving your best effort. Over time, these small efforts compound into significant gains. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a strong, muscular body. Building massive arms takes dedication and hard work. It's about more than just lifting heavy weights. It's about lifting with intention and focus. Each rep, each set, is a step towards your goal. Visualize the muscles you're working on, feel the burn, and embrace the challenge. But with the right exercises, proper form, and unwavering consistency, you can achieve your goals. It's crucial to educate yourself on the best techniques and to listen to your body. Avoiding injury is just as important as pushing your limits. Consistency isn't just about frequency, it's about quality and sustainability. Now get out there and crush it. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each milestone, no matter how minor it seems, is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never lose sight of your goals. What are your favorite bicep exercises? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can provide additional motivation and support. We can all learn from each other and grow together. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for more awesome workout tips and tricks. There, you'll find a wealth of information to help you on your fitness journey. Let's build a stronger, healthier future together.